In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Shopify sale page using Shogun in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to create a stunning sales page that captures attention and boosts your conversion rates, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create one to follow along. After logging in, we're going to navigate to one of the key tools that will make this whole process a breeze: Shogun Page Builder. Simply go to the search bar and type in Shogun Page Builder. This will bring you to the Shogun Page Builder dashboard, a powerful tool designed to help you create high-quality pages without any hassle. Now that you're in the Shogun dashboard, it's time to select Create Page. Here, you'll be presented with a variety of templates you can choose from to build your sales page. Templates are a fantastic starting point, as they often come with pre-built sections tailored for sales, such as countdown timers and product showcases. So, take some time to explore the templates and choose one that suits the look and feel you're aiming for on your page. With your template selected, let's start customizing your sale page. Shogun's drag-and-drop interface is your best friend here. You have the flexibility to rearrange and add various content blocks and elements. Think about what essential information your visitors need. Adding headings, text blocks, images, and robust product information can make your page not only informative but engaging. Next, let's enhance functionality. Drag and drop essential elements like the Product Add to Cart button, product images, and detailed product descriptions. These additions can significantly simplify the shopping experience for your visitors and help boost your sales. Tailoring these elements to fit your brand's unique style and message is key to making your page effective. Once you're satisfied with how your sales page looks and functions, it's crucial to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your design efforts are stored securely. This also allows you to revisit and refine your page at any time, so don't forget this important step. And there you have it. In just those simple steps, you've created a vibrant, functional Shopify sale page using Shogun that's ready to showcase your products and drive sales. Whether you're launching a new product or running a promotion, this page is now a powerful marketing tool in your e-commerce arsenal. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're as excited about your new sales page as I am. See you in the next video.